Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share you about for a worksheet, and here is the option for worksheet. So you can see currently it has only I have a one sheet, so I can rename it according to my budget. Then if I click this plus button, so I change it to home expense. Then I can add for my traveling expenses, and then I add for children expenses, right? So I create a four worksheet where I have a budget, home expense, traveling expense, and control. So here one I already have option for view for navigation, so you can see these can be appeared here. If you don't want here, or you are comfortable with the navigation, so you can use this. And interestingly, you can see that if I click here, it moves to a next excel sheet and next worksheet. If I click here, it goes to a traveling worksheet. If I click is home expense, it will be in a home expense sheet, and inside something is there, tables and columns. I have a multiple tables or selected areas of tables. So when I click here, it moves into those cells. Next is we can color it. You can see we can tab this color. For example, overall budget I use orange color, and for expense I use blue color. For traveling expense I use the this gray color, and for children expense I want to use the this blue color, right? And these colors will be changed when I navigate between different worksheets. So now I have option to copy. So for I want to copy the my excel budget sheet. For simply I on a keyboard I select the control and then drag by a single mouse click first and paste here. You can see the another sheet will be created that is copied of previous one. So I control C. So in this way you can copy the whole worksheet from one to another. So now there we can also view code. If you have a so now we can also add up some protection. So we can also add some passwords so nobody can change anything, and we have all options for this worksheet. So whenever you want to add it, you have to provide the password. I cancel it, and then I can move or copy option. Even we have copy to another to new, or create a copy of this worksheet. So by this I can inside the copy the worksheet inside the same, or move or copy, and even we can use to create a new workbook. For example, I want to copy budget 2 into a new workbook, so I click here and create a copy. So now I have another workbook that has book 3 and budget 2 is copied, so I don't want to save it. So this is the quick overview of worksheets. So worksheets are subset of a workbook. You can create multiple workbooks and you can navigate between them. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.